Hey Sally, how much sugar should we use for the cookies?
We need 1 cup of sugar, Kevin. But did you know much is for things we can't count, and many is for things we can count?
Huh? What do you mean?
Okay, let's make it simple. Much is for stuff like sugar, water, or milk. You can't count sugar grains, right?
No, I can't count sugar grains. So, do I use much for sugar?
Yes. You say, how much sugar? Now, for things you can count, like cookies, you use many. How many cookies do you want to make?
Oh, I get it. I can count cookies. So, I say, how many cookies?
Exactly. Let's try some examples. Do we need flour for the cookies?
Yes, we need much flour for the cookies.
Good try, Kevin. But remember, we usually say a lot of instead of much when it's positive. So we say, yes, we need a lot of flour.
Oh, I got it. We need a lot of flour. And how many eggs do we need?
Perfect. We need 2 eggs. How about milk? Do we need milk?
We need a little milk, not much milk.
Great job, Kevin. You're getting the hang of it. Now, how many cookies do you want to eat?
I want to eat many cookies, but not too many.
Haha, good answer. You're doing great, Kevin. Just remember, much for things you can't count, and many for things you can.
Thanks, Sally. This is fun. I understand much and many now.
You're welcome, Kevin. You're doing awesome. Now let's finish making these cookies so we can eat them.
Yay, I love cookies.